Hi friends, welcome to another video of Big Tech Talk. In my last video, I showed you how to install Ollama on Windows. A lot of you asked me what about Mac. So here we go. Today I am going to show you how to install Ollama on Mac operating system. Pull a model, run it in your terminal and then through the chat window. All locally and all for free. So let's start the video. Open your browser and go to ollama.com. I will place the link in the description. Click on download and copy this command. If you want, you can click on download for Mac. Let's open the terminal and paste the command which we have copied. It will download the Ollama and install it on your system. Let's start the Ollama by open -a Ollama command, and the Ollama app is up and running. In the Ollama app, you can see a drop down. You can pull the model you like, but we will go with Llama 3 1B model, which is not in this list. So go back to ollama.com and click on model. Now search for Llama 3 model, and we will choose a small model like Llama 3 1B. Its size is 815 MB. So I will copy the name and will go back to the terminal. Now let's actually pull a model. So I will type Ollama pull Llama 3 1B. This will download the model. You can see the progress bar over here. The model is stored locally in your system. Once the model is downloaded, let's see the list of models which we have. So Ollama list is the command, and it gives me the list of models which are there in my system. Now let's run the model in the terminal. So I will type Ollama run Llama 3 1B. You will get an interactive prompt right in your terminal. Try asking it something. For example, explain what a Kafka consumer group is. And here we go, a local LLM responding to your query without internet. Hit Ctrl D or type /by to exit. Now let's use this local LLM model in the chat window. So go to Ollama app and select your model from the drop-down. And now you can ask your question like, give me a Python code to find a palindrome. And here is the output in the chat format. That's all it takes for Ollama to be installed and running a model locally in your terminal and as a chat. So we have successfully installed Ollama on Mac operating system, and we are able to run LLM locally through terminal and through a chat window. So with this, I will wrap up today's video. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. Do hit the like button and subscribe for more such videos.